Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. When a Toshiba portable air conditioner displays the ELOC error code, the unit may stop cooling properly and leave you wondering what caused the interruption. Error codes are designed to notify users when the Toshiba portable air conditioner detects an operating condition that needs attention before normal performance can continue. In many cases, the issue may be related to power, internal protection systems, connections, or temporary operating faults. Before considering repairs, there are several simple checks that can help determine whether the error can be cleared. In this video, we'll go through a few troubleshooting steps that may help fix the ELOC error code on a Toshiba portable air conditioner. Try these. Step 1. Turn off the Toshiba portable air conditioner. Step 2. Unplug the Toshiba portable air conditioner briefly. Step 3. Check power connections on the Toshiba portable air conditioner. Step 4. Inspect the filter in the Toshiba portable air conditioner. Step 5. Restart the Toshiba portable air conditioner. Step 6. Verify the ELOC code clears on the Toshiba portable air conditioner.